Let's go.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be installing this S54 into the M3 now, but before we do that we're going to have to drop the rack and pinion and remove the steering shaft to give me all the clearances that I need for installing that engine, because that awkward oil pan likes to get in the way of a lot of things. So we'll start off with that and then we'll remove the hood, and we'll be doing a lot of time lapses on this episode. I'm not going to be describing a whole lot. It's going to be very self-explanatory, and if I need to explain anything in the process I'll do so, but let's go ahead and start it. All right, guys. Well, I'm all out of time on this episode, but we did get quite a bit done. And there is a lot of stuff that goes in between the scenes of me filming, and that is mostly cleaning. Especially whenever I'm dealing with parts that I pulled off of this chassis. Because when that engine blew in this car, here's that hole in the block right there. You can see right through it. All that oil that was in that engine is sprayed all over the under chassis of it. So I tried to clean as much as I could whenever I had it at my house, but unfortunately, a lot of the parts that were underneath it got sprayed down with oil as well, and that was the exhaust system, the heat shielding, all that stuff. Even whenever I was looking at the radiator and condenser, I mean, there was a ton of trash and debris in between the fins and everything, and I don't want to put that on the car, so I had to go back to the house, degrease some more, and, you know, I was able to get the under tray and all that, you know, fastened back up. And that under tray, that heat shielding, you know, I didn't have hardly any of the fasteners for that originally on the car. I had to go through the inventory parts that I have from whenever I took that swap out of a totaled M3. These baggies, all those baggies right there are E46 M3 nuts and bolts. So I've been digging through baggies and trying to find all the nuts and bolts that I was missing to make sure I have everything to put back on this car, because I definitely don't want to put things on half-assed the way they were. So a lot of stuff has just been taking up a lot of my time, and I still need to get some gaskets sorted out for the exhaust system. And also I noticed on this rear axle back system that it's coming apart at the wells right there. Now this is titanium. I did order some titanium rods. I need to take that to my buddy and have him weld that up and fix it so it doesn't break off while I'm driving down the road. And also the back wheel on the driver's side has been losing pressure, and you know, I did confirm that the inside of the wheel has a crack. Now the guy that I bought it off of, he told me that it did have a crack. I verified that. So I need to get the rear wheel fixed along with that exhaust. I'll do that at the same time with my buddy. He'll fix that up for me and get me all good to go. So yeah, just things working against me slows me down. And you know, if everything was clean and laid out, I would have already had this all put back together. But most of my time in between those scenes is me cleaning and degreasing, and just, man, I huffed a lot of brake cleaner over this few days, I'll tell you that much. But headway has been made, man. Also, we did hit the 1,000 subscriber mark on the channel, guys. Thank y'all very much. It means a lot to me. It's been a long time coming, man. I can't tell you guys. It's been about a year and a half I've been running this channel for, and I thought I'd be, you know, further along down the way, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I'm very happy, and I'm thankful for you guys for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. I hope this channel can grow and flourish into a big channel one day, but you know, I'll take it as it comes. So anyway, progress has been made, or progress has been made. That's what I got to crawl through, guys. I got to crawl through all this crap and find the parts I need and everything. It's just been, man, I can't wait till this car is done, honestly, so I can clean this whole section up and get this on a stand and just kind of inventory my parts and put them into, you know, containers and whatnot. And speaking of that, I got to reorganize some stuff and make room back there. Man, well, you know, that's why I'm just hitting these projects really hard. I'm trying to get all my cars done this year, guys. And, you know, it's just been a task. Anyway, I'm all out of time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys on the next one.